Hello. We discussed about Satchidananda Brahman. So it is like everything exists, grows, and uh, gets destructed or destroys something else into small new forms. New forms. So if this is to be considered, then the problem is it is dynamic. It is like it is a process which is endless, which always exists. It creates a paradox which is similar to the traditional wisdom of even of West or Europe, where it is famous saying, change is constant. So if it is change, how it can be constant? Or if it is constant, you cannot consider it as a change. So all in all, this paradox exists, and maybe this is why some of the Upanishads, or maybe one of the Upanishads, considered the truth as achintya, like which cannot be thought about or discussed logically. And this kind of thought also propagates today. Some people say that, but some other intelligent person came up with one idea which says Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. So this person is calling knowledge to be the Brahman. So if Satchidananda is knowledge, it is hard to destroy Jnana. So we will look at this angle. So we know that we as human beings or as any animals pass on genetic information to our offspring. So the we die, our offspring dies, but then it has offspring and the genetic information is passed along, and the genetic information is passed since there is, from the point there is any life. So when the first life came, the basics were like eating, reproduction, uh, that's it. And then additional things like moving around and directional moving, etc., all those things developed. In our case it is like color of eye, or how much, what is our metabolism, etc., all those things. And all those things, even our diseases, all those things get passed as information. And we die, I will die, my child, okay, people die, but information is kind of immortal. Similarly, actually, even if we look at so some people, when they were building Egyptian pyramids, or even before that, someone saw that a wooden block, a tree which is in round shape, goes ahead faster than uh, something which is not really in round shape. This information still exists. Some people used it in sports, like ball or something, and some people used in vehicles. Some people like used it in machines where ball bearings are used, so that the friction is less, because it is, I mean, the balls result in less friction. So yeah, so the knowledge exists. It is, thousands of years have passed, but mm, knowledge is more immortal. More immortal is weird, but knowledge exists for longer than things. So if some knowledge, like Satchidananda, or yeah, Satchidananda, if that is existing since the epoch, since the birth of the universe, and it is existing still, it is existing, then it is immortal. So Gyanamrut is a word. So Amruta here is the Gyana, that Satchit Ananda. This Gyana is passed from one thing to another, even if that form vanishes, even if that, yeah, the, even if form, I mean, even if one thing ends and another thing starts, the Gyana is passed to another thing, the knowledge is passed, and that can solve this paradox problem, probably. So I just thought about it and I thought I'll record it. Yeah.